My wife plants this mini garden every year, and we were going to do something with this little octagon thing to make it better. But I do have ideas for that. But at this time of the year, it's getting late. We got to get the stuff in, and I got too many other things planned. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plant this today, the way it is, and it'll be good enough for this year. And then I got some ideas for something for this better later. And we're also going to repair a piece of landscaping just down in this same piece of yard here. The deer, some kind of animal messed it up this winter, so we're going to repair that as well. Thanks for watching. I might as well just go grab the shovel.
Too hard to work around.
Well, the thing is microscopic.
Well, it wasn't. You shredded it. Sorry.
What's this right here?
I told you, but you don't listen. It's a tomato plant.
Well, don't you have other tomatoes to plant?
Yeah, but it reseeded. I mean, I guess you could rip it out because it'll probably reseed somewhere else because that happens all through the season.
We got some stuff over here needs dug out a little bit. See all that crap in there? I need to get the spade shovel. That ain't something.
You don't need a spade shovel, you just need a good hoe. Yeah, it's usually what I'm not overly picky with it because it is small and I can keep up with the weeds in here.
Is that your?
That was it.
Your golden plant right there?
That was it.
Well, it's still mostly there.
This?
The only thing going, some of the leaves, that's it.
You took out like the top of it off.
Pull that out and there's a piece of freaking glass in there.
Wow, I don't know how that got in
Here, give me. It's glass. That'd be nice working in the dirt. God!
Seeing what Sam was doing.
I'm gonna get rid of this glass. Get something to put on that thing.
Don't worry. Don't worry about it. I said not to worry about it. I'll just buy my cilantro at the store.
Golden cilantro.
Like I've been doing all winter. You don't have to worry about anything else because I can, like I said,
Well,
I can maintain it. I don't.
I understand, but you want to get some of this grassy garbage out of here, don't you?
Yeah, I'm talking about just worrying about digging up anything else. Pull it out.
You ready for some dirt now?
Yep.
You go get some dirt?
Yep.
How much do you think you're going to need? A bucket?
Yeah, probably. I think that's what we did last year.
Okay. Let's go get some dirt. So we brought some dirt down from our topsoil pile that we keep up there. What we're going to do now is just pick out any big rocks or clumps or anything and get rid of them and break this out and then get the stuff planted.
This shovel's really nice.
Did I remind you that it's wonderful? We're doing this on the hottest freaking day of the year in the direct freaking sun.
Absolutely wonderful.
It's like 90 out today.
It's lovely. Best weather ever.
Maybe if you're a snake.
It's the only kind of weather I like.
I got shorts on today. If you see me in shorts, it's hot. Not a shorts guy. Today,
I live
I got
all 9 months of Pennsylvania's lovely weather being cold. I'm going to enjoy June, July, and August. I've always told you I was born in the wrong hemisphere, climate.
you know what I say to that? Too bad.
I should have been born in Africa.
let's just pull this back. This paper's junk. Rubbish.
Where did we get that at Lowe's?
No, probably the dollar store or something dumb
No,
like that.
I think we got it at Lowe's last year.
Don't buy this junk, it's rubbish. Alright. That there, we might as well take out to here. Like to where the plant is.
So you want this put in the bucket?
Yeah. Because we'll smooth this out here, this dirt right here. Here, I'll get that if you want to run the rake.
Alright.
Just rake into the yard if it'll be easier, because it's easy to clean up in the grass with that rake.
So you're keeping this paper?
No, I ain't keeping that. No. I'm going to cut it off. See what I'm saying? Just pull this up to like here. And then we'll cut it, lay it back down, and then put a new piece over the top.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Keep it out. Something like that. Now some of this junk can go. So I'm just going to rake it out here on the grass. And rake it up out here. Grab them,
Oh, you're doing it that way.
we'll lay it up here where we got someplace that has room. Alright, you go up there and hold it about where the ball is. Okay, this is that wide landscaping is 6 feet wide. So, which will work out nice. What we're going to do is cut a little bit long.
Baby.
Because of this mound we got in here, and then we'll cut the slits out into the holes, and then once we get it on here, there'll be a little bit left over. We'll just trim it off, and it's a nice thing about landscape paper. You can always even use pieces, you know, different places where you're working. So we're going to do that now. All right. Like I said, I'm going to cut it a little bit. Definitely long. Because I don't want to be too short as far as that hump. That hump's going to take, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me see them scissors. Thought you was going to throw them.
Hi. Oh. What? You are so dirty. You are so dirty. Baby kisses.
Alright.
I don't want to put her down. See what's up.
Well, we got work to do.
Sorry, baby. Meanie's making me put you down. I know I'm your favorite. She's got pox all through her. You need a bath. And a good brushing. What?
All right, we ready to do something here?
The dogs need me. You know, if they need me, I'd drop anything. All right. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
All right,
I've been ready to do this for hours when you were
Don't even start.
doing whatever.
Don't even go there.
Taking your afternoon grandpa nap.
As hard as you work me, I'm entitled. All right. Take that. Take your piece.
I can't. She's on it.
Pick it up.
She's on. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. All right, I got it.
All right. You take it over. Set it over where it's going to go. Okay, it's going to overlap. No, let it fall down kind of. And kind of stretch it like right to the stone.
You mean this?
Yeah. And then I'll hold it on the edge here. And then that's where we're going to push away some more. I'm starting to get pissed. Come on!
You can't be like that when they want love.
Come on, Cash, get off of there. Okay, that's good. Now, so we probably want to set something on here. Let's take one of these back pouches. Just something to hold it. Hold the corner down.
You have your knife?
No. You told me earlier we didn't need it. Everything I got is these dull scissors.
Here, see if I can start a hole.
Either that or cut a slit up and then we'll cut
Yeah, that's right.
cut a thing out.
Use this. Actually, they're not bad if you know how to use them.
No, there's only one place where they cut.
Right, that's what I'm talking about. Hi, babe. Are you gonna help mommy?
Which there's nothing more that says replacement than that.
I do have the scissors, but I'm not letting you guys have them.
You guys, we're the only ones using them.
No, the boys know where they're at too. I always tell them I want them put right back. Because that's how these ends got dull. Everybody uses them.
Well, we're probably using them to cut something that shouldn't be cut. Don't make it too big. Holy crap.
Then you do it!
Go ahead. I want to see what you come up with. Holy crap. I think you made it big enough.
Well, let's get that up. Yeah, let's get that other thing. There's extra there, though, I can lay down under it.
All right.
Get your rock cut.
You got the scissors.
I make the holes too big.
Well, all right. Let me see them scissors. No. Just kind of used to hold it for it now. You didn't pull that off in one big freaking hunk, did ya?
No.
Come on!
No. I know how to, I've done this hose probably more than you.
Pull it off in one big hump.
No, I
Guaranteed
didn't.
a hairball.
I did not. I did it in 2 hunks.
Come on. Almost went down. Basil, parsley, oregano, rosemary, thyme. And then I'm trying cucumbers and zucchini this year. Or squash. Which squash is gonna crawl all over that. Okay. Well,
It's gonna blanket it. But
these work out nice, especially if you don't got a whole lot of time to invest in a bigger garden. We used to have big gardens here, but they just took up so much time. But I do have plans for this for later to do something different. But that'll be something.
we need to get mulch too for in it. We ran out.
Yeah, we used every bit of mulch we had in that other landscaping, but we'll mulch this, and then it'll look nice. It'll be a nice little accent to the yard as well. But I guess it'll be on to the next project next.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching.